Okay, so first you need a bin bag. Then what we're doing is we're restoring these 40-year-old tiles from this to this, and they're getting the paint off, and they end up looking like this. So look, here we go, look at that. That's a lot cheaper than paying to get new tiles. So what you do is you pull off the plastic, like so. You scrape off this white stuff, and then what you need is a blunt screwdriver. You scrape off the cement. Just takes a bit of elbow grease and a bit of time, but it's not really a problem. Next, you need a scouring pad, and you gently just scrub off the paint. Then next, you need a sharp screwdriver. Not really this one that I've got, but and you take the grout out, like so. Then you need some fixing grout, which is pretty cheap. And then you re-put the grout back in, and it looks like this, like brand new. And the alternative is you can pay a lot of money. So that's pretty straightforward.